guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to declutter and pack up my daughter's room, and I don't know where to start. But I kind of have an idea where to start, and I'm gonna start with their desks, with their desk I should say, and the drawers, which is only like three drawers, and
not the toys.
there's the big drawer in the middle. There's a lot of stuff in there. And then I'm going to take out the bed sheets. I'm going to wash them and then put them away in a bag. And then I'm going to move on to their toys that I need to put for donation that they don't no longer use and stuff. And then also I'm going to be going through, excuse the bed, going through the drawers that they have with their bunk bed. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, the entire room, and we'll go from there. What are you doing?
I am picking up my toys to put them back in the basket.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told her to put everything in the basket in that way, and everything is not, you know, everywhere, which it was. Even though it's gonna be all over the place again, because I'm gonna go through all the baskets, through this one and this one. Because there's a lot of toys that they don't play anymore, especially Everly and Natalie, both of them actually. So yeah, we're gonna go through that.
Can I tell you something? We're gonna go to our new house.
Yeah, that's what we're doing, all this declutter,
Yeah,
and that way we can pack. We don't take garbage to our new place.
Alright, so this is the stuff that I am keeping for her, and I just organized it what's what. So these are her books, and these are like her pre-K and pre-K and some kindergarten like stuff that I want to keep for her forever until she grows up. And just like notebooks and notepad and like glues and some pencils that I found in her drawer. And this is her little yearbook. And some workbooks that I have on this side, and some construction paper, and these are her coloring books. So I'm going to put that in backpacks that I have, and then we're going to be done with this section, which is her desk. Yay! So this is her stuff that I want to keep for her forever, like little crafts and stuff that she did in school, and some paintings right here that she did here in the house and also in school. Like she did this one in school, and little coloring stuff and watercolor stuff that I just want to keep for her, you know, as a little memory for her, that she can see when she was little, what she used to do in school. For you, my baby, for you. And then right here I'm just keeping like her grades and stuff from her previous year. So alright, so now moving on to the fun part, which is the toys. There's so many toys, I don't know where to start with that part for real. So here we go.
First, I'm going to tackle this snack that I've been craving. It's papaya, plain Greek yogurt, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of granola. It just hit the spot that day. It was so delicious. It's kind of my go-to snack lately, and it's so yummy. Can we take a moment and check on my baby dancing? I don't remember what she was dancing to. I forgot to turn on my mic actually on this clip. I ended up going through their toys the next day because I was so tired the day before. But yeah, it was so cute the way she was dancing. She was so excited. Alright, back to work. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and gave you some motivation to declutter. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!